Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about the best online resources to learn how to create digital twins, from basic tutorials to advanced courses. Whether you are a beginner or a technical expert, you will find tools and guides tailored to your level to implement this technology in your work environment. The image highlights resources organized by experience level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, that if you are ready to start your journey into the world of digital twins. Stay until the end of the video. The video. What is a digital twin? Basics and benefits. IBM Think Academy. This 10-minute video explains the basics of digital twins, including what they are, how they work, and their benefits. It is ideal for those who want to understand the theory before creating their first digital twin. The video. Digital twins with no-code tools. Tech Simplified. Teaches you how to create a basic digital twin using no-code tools such as Make. This 15-minute video includes a practical example of data integration between a CRM and a spreadsheet. It's perfect for those looking for an accessible way to get started. The video, Creating Your First Dashboard in Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. It's a 20-minute tutorial that teaches you how to create interactive dashboards to monitor metrics in real time. With the course, Data Analysis and Visualization with Tableau, Coursera. You learn how to use Tableau to analyze historical data and simulate scenarios. This 5-week course includes a final project to create an interactive dashboard. It is ideal for analysts and managers interested in advanced simulations. The course, Building Digital Twins with Python, DataCamp. This is a 4-hour course that teaches how to use Python to build basic digital twins. Perfect for users with basic programming knowledge. The tutorial, Simulating Business Processes with KNIME YouTube channel. You learn how to simulate business processes with this visual tool, such as inventory optimization. The 25-minute tutorial is highly practical. The course, Advanced Digital Twins with Python and TensorFlow, Udemy. This 12-hour course combines Python and TensorFlow to develop advanced digital twins with machine learning. The video, Using MATLAB and Simulink for Digital Twin Development, MATLAB YouTube channel. It is a 30-minute tutorial that teaches how to integrate real-time sensor data to simulate complex physical systems. These resources are ideal for data scientists, engineers, and developers looking to create detailed models and custom solutions. With access to tutorials and online courses, any worker can develop their own digital twin, regardless of their level of experience. Select the resource that best suits your needs and start optimizing your productivity with this innovative technology. If you want guidance to choose the best resource and start implementing digital twins, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we'll design a strategy tailored to your goals. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.